Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your Jabra Elite 10 using application. You have to start by open the application and after that go to the settings at the right top. Now scroll down just a bit and right here we have Find My. So click on it and there is our headset, so just click on it and you can see a location and you can click on it and play some song for it. Don't use your earbuds while you're playing a song, and also you can control sound right here, so you can increase it to move it to the right and lower it by moving it to the left. When you find it, just click on pause, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!